Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data and doing a quick diagnostic. Backup photos and settings to the cloud or PC. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if the flicker stops. While the phone is off, inspect edges and the display for cracks, gaps, or moisture. A loose connector or liquid can cause intermittent flicker. If safe mode removes the flicker, you know an app is the culprit. If not, proceed to system and hardware checks. Once you confirm it's not a third-party app, update Realme UI and all apps to their latest versions because many flicker bugs are fixed in patches. Then disable adaptive brightness and set the display refresh to 60Hz to reduce timing conflicts, and lower contrast or color enhancements if enabled. Clear the system cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files and uninstall any recent apps you installed. If software steps fail, perform a factory reset after backing up because this rules out persistent firmware corruption. If you're comfortable and the warranty allows, power down and carefully open the phone to reseat the display connector. Loose contacts often cause flicker, making sure to follow ESD precautions. Once done, test before sealing. If the flicker persists, take it to an authorized service center for a display module or motherboard diagnostic. If they find hardware damage, prioritize genuine replacement parts to avoid repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.